So good morning friends, we are here to shoot the blue-eared kingfisher. Okay, and there's the system, the bird is there as I showed you, and you will get hopefully a good view. So just in front of me I put that perch, and on the right of the perch on that mud wall are the holes, as you will see soon. That's where the nest of the birds are. So this is the blue-eared kingfisher couple which comes and is nesting on that hole there. Here is the rarest of the rare, the blue-eared kingfisher in the Western Ghats during monsoon, and you can see it in my monitor. It is absolutely still being there, and it is waiting for its mate. It has just fed. Now with the guy coming in, it will be moving away in the rain and will fly off. The blue-eared kingfisher actually comes and lives in the high mountains, but during the mating season, that's in the monsoons and the rains, they do come down to the valleys, and on the mud walls they make the holes, and the couple then make their nests and then go on to build their family there. If you have liked this video, then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and you'll get to see many more interesting videos on birds and other animals over the time that I shoot. The blue-eared kingfisher is so named because of that blue patch over its ears, as against the common blue kingfisher. By now, the rain has really built up, and the black-headed monarch is on its nest incubating its eggs. This is one of the most beautiful birds that you can see in this heavy rain. We now move into another rare kingfisher, the oriental dwarf kingfisher. For this kingfisher, the chicks have already hatched, and both the parents are busy getting them the food. Right, it from the geckos, their frogs, crabs, whatever they get in the monsoon rain stream. And as you can see, it frequently comes, deposits the food with the chicks, and then flies out again to get food, more food for them. We now leave the oriental dwarf kingfisher and move on to the common blue kingfisher. These birds look very similar to the rare blue-eared kingfisher which you saw at the very beginning, but they have a distinct difference, that there is no blue cheek just above their ears. That is lacking, and that is how we differentiate them. Now these couple are right now making nest. The male here, as shown, is trying and digging the hole. The Indian pitta, which is a very colorful bird by itself, is just sitting beside in another branch and having a good look. Now, over the time, I have photographed them, I have shot them. They move on to make the nest, and there is the male now getting food for the female, who's incubating the eggs right now. And as soon as the chicks will be born, they will be having small fishes as their diet, as against the big geckos which the oriental dwarf kingfisher was getting for them. That will be it for this edition, folks, and I see you later in next episode. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and all of you have a good day.